Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click the tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. And just a disclaimer here, if you can hear some noise just like the chainsaw or the motorcycles or whatever, please excuse that noise and just focus on the things that I'm saying here kasi naisipan nilang mag-chainsaw ngayong mag-film na akes. As you can see in the title down below, I will be sharing to you guys the things that I got from SM and from Watsons. So let's get on to the video. So let's start with the things that I got from Watsons. You know me naman guys, I love Watsons. Minamahal ko ang Watsons. Dun yung favorite place ko sa SM. So yeah, let's start with the things that I got from them. The first one here is this Body Expert Pink Rabbit Shower Gel in the strawberry scent. Ayan, I'm really loving the packaging and yung amoy niya nga, amoy strawberry nga siya. Para kang nasa La Trinidad, Benguet, Strawberry Farm. And of course, I got another Hair Spa Intensive Care Virgin Cocoa. This is one of my favorites before, pero na-stop ko siyang gamitin. Tagal-tagal ko na siya hindi ginagamit, so I will be using that one again. And of course, hindi mawawala ang products ng iWhite kapag nag-shopping sa Watsons. So I got the Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita, and then I have this the original nose pack with the pore purifying balm, and another Aqua Moisturizing Vita. Yeah, I got one. I guess I had two. So, asan na kaya? And I have 4 BB Holic. Ayan, yung BB Holic na yan. My favorite. Everyday ko siyang ginagamit, guys. Alam nyo ba, just a side note story, dun sa SM kahapon, kasi nasa department store ako na may Watsons, nagtitingin lang ko ng bibilhin ko pa, pero hindi talaga ako doon bumibili. Doon ako sa may labas ng department store na Watsons kasi mas madami silang benta doon. May naghahanap ng BB Holic and the sales lady doesn't know where is the BB Holic or hindi niya alam kung ano ang BB Holic, and then I heard BB Holic po is a BB cream from iWhite, and I think it's not here kasi tinignan ko yung rack. wala yung BB Holic sa rack na yon. So sabi ko, punta na lang po kayo sa Watsons dyan sa labas ng department store, meron po dun sa gilid. Ayan. Tapos sabi ng sales lady, buti pa si ma'am alam niyo kung nasan yung mga product. Kasi everyday ko siyang ginagamit and lagi tayong bumibili doon. So yeah, I'm really loving that one. And of course, I got another body wash na naman from Palmolive. This is the Body Wash Calming Moisture. Ayan, this is in the Milk and Cherry Blossom scent. And another, napansin ko guys, puro panligo, product na panligo ang mga binili ko. And yun, exfoliating body scrub in cucumber and melon. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi very mild lang siya sa skin. So kahit everyday ka na nag-exfoliate, okay na okay pa rin siya. And of course, I got the GT Bleaching Soap, my favorite soap. Kung nakita nyo na yung November favorites ko, this is included in my November favorites kasi sobrang nakaka-whiten siya ng mga dark spots, and yun, nada-dry up niya yung mga pimples ko. Another body shower gel that I got is from Body Expert Peppermint Vanilla, just like that. Kasi, tapos yung amoy niya guys, sobrang bango. Parang Christmas na Christmas talaga. Yung peppermint na candy, yung red and white na bilog, ganun yung smell niya. Super duper love the smell. Ginamit ko na nga actually kagabi. And of course, the last one I got from them is this Nishido lipstick in the shade Rogue Blossom, and let me swatch it with you guys. Akala ko talaga ito yung bottom part niya, but it's not. This is the top one. And I got this for 99 pesos and the original price was 198. So nag-sale sila ng 50% off. So I got that one, and let me swatch it to you guys. And this is the swatch. Ayan girl, ang ganda. So I'm really loving that color. So I will do a review of this product kung maganda ba siya. So, watch out for that video. Moving on to the products that I got from SM. The first one is this shirt that I got from GTW. And it says, I guess, it's girl, teens wear. And yun, ang daming tao doon kasi tig 150 pesos lang yung price ng lahat ng mga shirts nila, lahat ng top nila. So, I got the extra large. Kasi gusto ko yung, yung malaki. Yung oversize para gamitin ko sa review center. Kasi aircon para, wala lang, parang matutulog lang ako lagi doon. So, yes, that's the first thing that I got. Next one that I got is this shirt from Smart Buy and it is only 199 pesos. Ayan. V-neck siya and yan, shirt lang, plain. Wala kasi yung may pocket kasi yung may pocket, ano siya, super duper oversized, which is extra large. Yan. And of course, we got thanks for our exchange gift. And nabunot kasi namin ni Mac, dalawang lalaki na mahilig sa cap. Yung isa mahilig sa parang snack bag and it says good mood and at the back is every day is different. So I love that one. And ito naman yung isa, mahilig siya sa parang sports cap. So meron lang siyang star na ganyan. Kasi parang yung mga ibang cap doon, meron siyang ganung mga styles. So yan lang yung mga binili namin. And nasaan na yung iba? This Bean Boozled na candy and it's only 149 pesos. 150, 149.75. And yun, alam niyo na kung anong mangyayari dito sa channel natin. Magagawa tayo ng Bean Boozled challenge. So, watch out for that video. Titingnan ko pa kung sino ang magiging kasama ko. So, yeah! That's all the things that I got from SM and from Watson's, my favorite place in SM. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have an Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me with the username JoyOfMia. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah!